Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video I try to show intelligent agents. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. How can we define agent? An agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving or understanding its environment with sensor and acting upon that environment with actuator. We call it agent. So how can we define agent? Agent means anything which that things can be perceive, observe, understand the nature of the environment with sensor, and after it understand or perceive, act upon or take an action with actuator from the environment. We call it agent. Let's take human as agent. Eyes and ears, it considered as a sensor to perceive information from the environment, and hand, leg and mouth, it considered as actuator in order to take or act upon the environment. Robotic agent, camera and infrared range finder as a sensor and various motor for actuator. Software agent, receive keystroke which are the keyword and it helps to take an input from the tab. File content, this file is maybe an image, audio, video, PowerPoint, PDF or any other ones, as well as the network packet as a sensor. Acts upon the environment with a screen to display, writing file and sending network packet, it considered as actuator or acts upon the environment after it receives information from the environment with keystroke, file content and network packet as sensor input. This environment and agent are two words. On the environment there is an agent, but this agent is not the environment by itself, right? This environment is considered as the world for agent. Inside of the environment there are different agents. This agent, as we tried to mention on the previous slide, it perceives the environment and it acts upon the environment with sensor and actuator respectively. So any agent have two basic components which are sensor to perceive or perceive the environment and actuator to take an action or act upon the environment after it perceives or understands the environment. For instance, on this agent there is a hand and leg as actuator and there is eyes and ears as a sensor if we consider this agent is human being. The agent function maps from perceived history to action. Function of agent, there is a perception. With this perception or understanding the environment, then take an action. The agent program runs or executes on the physical architecture to produce agent function, or if there is eyes and ears for human being in order to perceive the environment, then that information sent to our brain, and finally our brain gives an instruction to our hand, our mouth and our leg to take an action. Seems like for that one there is an agent program. This agent program runs or executes on the physical architecture to produce a function. This physical architecture, it may be the robot or it may be human body by itself, right? Agent is equals to architecture plus program. There is an interface. On the top of this interface there is a program. Which program? Agent program. In order to produce an agent function, we call it agent, or agent is equals to architecture plus program. Let's take one simple example, which are vacuum cleaner. In order to clean the dust, there is two scales, scale A and scale B, or we consider these scales as room A and room B, and there is a vacuum cleaner on here. This vacuum cleaner helps to suck the dust if this room is not clean or dirty. Perceived location and content. Example, A is dirty. Check if the room A is dirty or not. And also it considers the location. It's right, left. It may be moved from right to left or left to right. And suck if there is a dust, and if there is no a dust, simply no operation. Simple function or simple expression how this vacuum cleaner it cleans the room. If the current scare, which scare A, because there is a vacuum cleaner on scare A, right? If the current scare is dirty, or if there is a dust on this room, then the vacuum cleaner sucks that dirty. Otherwise, which means that if it is clean, move to other scares. Which scare? To scare B, right? From here to here. From here to here. Perceived sequence and action. First of all, just as we try to mention, just understand the room if it's clean or dirty, and then take an action with actuator. For instance, if room A is clean, just room A is found in the left side right, which means move to B or room B. As you have seen on here, there is room A and there is room B. Room A found in the left and room B found in the right. So this vacuum cleaner moves from left to right or from here to here. That is when this vacuum cleaner checks room A, and if it is dirty, the vacuum cleaner sucks the dust, right? Or it cleans room A. If room B is clean, move from right to left or from room B to room A. If room B is dirty, the vacuum cleaner sucks the dust. The vacuum cleaner checks room A and it's clean. Simply stay on room A. After a few minutes or a few seconds, check again room A. If it is clean, then the vacuum cleaner moves to the right or it moves to room B. If room A is clean, and stay with a minute in room A. After a few minutes, check again room A. If it is dirty, the vacuum cleaner room A or sucks the dust. If room A is clean, okay, just wait a minute. Again, the vacuum cleaner checks room A is clean. Okay, just wait in room A. After a few minutes in third round, check room A, and again if it is clean, just this vacuum cleaner agent move to room B, which are in the right side. If room A is clean, okay, wait a few minutes and check again on second round. If it is clean, when it checks, stay on room A. Finally, on the third round, if A is dirty, just the vacuum cleaner clean or sucks the dust. This is how the vacuum cleaner agent cleans two rooms. There is two question: what is the right way to fill out of the table, and what makes an agent good or bad, or intelligent or stupid? It depending on the intelligent capability and also the agent's goal. An agent that able to consistently achieve its goal is a good agent and an intelligent agent. If an agent that is unable to achieve its goals, it is a bad agent and also a stupid agent. This is all about intelligent agent. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.